Let's be honest, grooming below the belt isn't just a trend anymore. It's self-care, it's confidence, it's style. But not all trimmers are created equal. Today, I've got my hands on a grooming gadget that's turning heads and trimming everything else. This is not just a trimmer, it's a complete body grooming system designed for precision, comfort, and style. Gentlemen, meet the MANGROOMER Lithium Max Plus, your new secret weapon for total body grooming. Hey guys, welcome back to Raminmark, your go-to channel for honest product reviews, especially when it comes to men's grooming and beard trimmers. I'm Ruhul Amin, a digital marketer, founder of Raminhub and Raminmark, and a Photoshop expert. But when I'm not building brands, I'm helping you find the tools to build your best look. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's dive right in. Break this into clear sections so viewers stay engaged and understand the value of the product. Let's start with what you get. Inside the box, you'll find the MANGROOMER Lithium Max Plus body trimmer, a sleek charging cradle, and a bonus foil shaver head, which I'll explain in a bit. Everything feels premium, sturdy, and ready for action. 2. Dual head design, 2 tools in one, 1.5 minutes. This trimmer is unlike your average shaver, it's got 2 heads. On one side, you have a double-sided trimmer plus foil blade. This is your all-in-one tool for a close, clean shave, even on sensitive areas like the groin, underarms, or inner thighs. Flip it, and you get a detailed trimmer with 8 length settings, perfect for trimming longer hair on your chest, arms, stomach, or legs. You can literally go from grooming your chest to detailing your downstairs zone in one go. Smooth, precise, and irritation-free. 3. Performance and flexibility, 1.5 minutes. Let's talk about how it works. The shock absorber flex neck is genius. It adapts to your body's contours, no pulling, no tugging, and 0 awkward angles. I tested it on my chest, underarms, and groin, smooth sailing all the way. The foil side gives an incredibly close shave, while the trimmer side gives you control over length, from clean cut to naturally groomed. 4. Battery power and charging, 1 minute. The Lithium Max Plus battery? Game changer. Charges super fast, lasts 5x longer than standard NiCad batteries, comes with a clean charging cradle and LED indicator light. You won't be guessing if it's charged or not. And it looks great sitting on your bathroom counter. 5. Wet or dry use, 1 minute. It's wet/dry compatible, so you can use it before or during your shower. But here's a pro tip. For the best results, use it dry, especially the trimmer side, to avoid uneven cuts. Wet hair mats down and doesn't trim evenly. Pros. Versatile 2-in-1 head. Perfect for full body grooming. Long battery life. Hypoallergenic and safe for sensitive skin. Compact and ergonomic design. Cons. Not ideal for super thick or curly hair, you'll need to go slow. The flex head takes a little getting used to. Overall, this trimmer delivers on its promises and more. So is the MANGROOMER Lithium Max Plus worth it? If you're serious about grooming, and you want one tool that handles everything from chest to groin, this is definitely a strong contender. Lightweight, powerful, versatile, it's designed for modern men who want to look and feel their best. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this trimmer worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your grooming squad, and of course, subscribe to Raminmark for more top-tier grooming product reviews. Until next time, stay sharp, stay stylish,